What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? I got another video. We about to go in, y'all. So today we got a client. She's getting feeder braids, so you know we gotta wash the hair. We are not like those other stylists that do not wash hair. If you're doing hair and your license is in the regimen to wash your client's hair, a lot of clients don't know how to wash their hair. So make sure y'all washing your hair if y'all do hair. Yep, so as y'all can see, I'm using heat protectant, blowing drying her out real straight. If y'all want me to start putting like the tools and stuff I use, just let me know. I could put in the description. I use a little spritz for the back because you know you gotta get that kitchen. You gotta get it bone straight. So then I followed up with the hot comb because you know, although this is a protective style, I still like it for it to look sleek and neat. So I go in with the hot comb and some hot tools just to get it straight, especially for 5 feet of braids. You want it to look really, really, really good. So I press it out really good, and then I'll go in and make sure I press those roots out. For 5 feet of braids or whatever feet of braids you do, press your roots out really good so that it can lay, especially if your hair is super thick. Now if it's thin, you don't need to press it out. But y'all see that silk. One thing about me, I love pressing hair out. Look at that. Just look at this silk. I'm telling y'all, book y'all appointments. Showing miracles, book y'all appointments. So when doing these braids, I mix the shining jam with this red one. It's like a styling wax. You can see it at the hair store. I mix both of them because it gives me a slip and a grip. You know what I'm saying? Like you see how them stitches is neat? That's what it gives me. So that's why I mix on both of them. And I only take a little bit of edges out because nobody got time to be dealing with edges in the summer. So just a little bit will suffice. So as you do, you want to braid the first row like about 4 or 5 times, and then you want to take a comb that has a space in between it, pull it down on the other side, and grab the hair real tight, and then braid. If you need to add hair, but most times you don't need to add hair because sometimes your hair is enough. So you see what I'm doing? I'm going back and forth. Grab a little piece of the hair and braid. And see? Do it again. Grab a little piece of the hair and braid. Make sure that hair is saturated in product. Not too much, but make sure it's saturated so that the stitches will show nice and clean. And when you're grabbing a piece from each side, you see the comb that I'm using? When you're grabbing a piece from each side, make sure that the pieces are small so that it can look well. And then add the hair in. So grab a piece on each side, use your comb, and grab a piece. Apply more product if you see that it's dry, because if it's dry, the stitch is not gonna come out right. So yep, go in there and grab that piece. Yep, and keep braiding. So it just practice and learn, y'all. It took me, I'm not gonna lie, like I like being transparent with everyone. It took me some time to get these stitches. Like I really got these stitches down, I was saying the last year, to be honest. Although I was doing it years before, like I'm talking about like this perfect stitch. Like it took me a while. So you know, with anything you want to do in life, it's going to take time, practice. You know, you have to keep practicing, and you get better. I just want y'all to never give up on your dreams. Never give up on something that you have that you want to do, no matter what it is. Modeling, makeup, you want to be a makeup artist, hairstylist, whatever it is. Keep going, keep pushing, keep grinding, and your dreams will come true. And when you have something on your mind, please do not tell no friends. Just do it. I'm telling y'all, your life can change so quick. Go and live out your dreams, y'all. Trust in God. Make sure you trust in God too. That's like, keep God first, and I'm telling you, everything will go well. So for the edges, y'all, we're doing something nice and soft. 2 swoops on each side, like most people do these days. I guess because it's natural. I don't know. But yeah, you want to just swoop it. I use the She Is Bomb edge control, and I swoop it. Now you can swoop it with holding spray, or you know, curl it and swoop it, but I wanted that look where it looks super laid, and super soft. So I went and I wanted it to be super laid. So I went and added the The She Is Bomb. Now I'm spraying it. You want to make sure you spray that hair down, lay all the flyaways, and it also helps it to look more neater and more it lasts a little longer. This style lasts for 3 to 4 weeks if you wrap your hair every night and don't put no water on it. So we done blow drying it. Look how late it is. When this you have the style, you wear a do-rag, it's gonna make it last longer. And then oil your scalp. I know a lot of y'all stylists, y'all be oiling your client's scalp. Make sure your scalp is oiled. Every new stylist that's out there. And when you oil the client's scalp, it's gonna moisturize it and allow the hair to grow. I don't care what nobody say. Oiling your scalp allows your hair to grow. I'm so happy and excited to announce some good news, but I'm gonna wait until I work on it and then I'll announce it. But it's just gonna be something amazing I'm announcing for y'all. But just stay tuned. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna stop talking because the girls that gets it, the girls that gets it, and the girls that don't. The girls that books, and the girls that don't, well, I don't know. But the girls that books definitely look slayed. But make sure y'all book your appointments.